Welcome to the Assembling a Winning Team section of our Entrepreneurship course. When you start your venture, there's obviously typically one person. You may not have a company. There may be a couple of you, a couple of founders. At some point, you need to form a company and bring in a team of people. Now, who does that team consist of? What types of roles? There are going to be the founders, of course. You'll hire employees. You will probably bring in independent contractors. You probably want to know the difference between employees and independent contractors because it can be quite significant. You will then assemble a board of directors. There is a cookie cutter style in the way that boards of directors are structured in Silicon Valley style companies that you probably need to be aware of, because you don't want to be appointing people to the board of directors and then removing them later on when the board has to be structured in a different way when the venture investors come in. Obviously, the venture investors play an important role. They are part of the startup team. So we look at the roles of the venture investors as the preferred stockholders. There are other players, there are advisors. Actually, your lawyer in a startup team plays a very important role in Silicon Valley. In some other places that I've been to, the lawyers are really just focused. Entrepreneurs think of lawyers when they're in a court case or to get them out of jail. Silicon Valley, that's not the situation. Silicon Valley lawyers actually play a very important a role in the business, often introducing the companies to venture investors and other people that they're going to need. So they're lawyers, accountants, professional advisors. So all these people need to be assembled. How are they assembled? How does this organization look? How is it put together? How are people compensated? These are the topics that we try to cover in this section of the course. Another very important topic is, where does the power lie within the organization? Who gets to elect the board of directors? Who gets to hire and fire the CEO? All those types of issues are covered in this section of the course. So, assembling a winning team, very useful section, and I hope you find it interesting.